Hey, what's up, man? We back. It's another day. Hope everybody's doing fine. It's gonna be day 3 right now for me on the KLX 300 on the Wheelie progression. So thanks to everybody who's been subscribing to the channel, liking the video, commenting. I see everything. I message everybody back for real. I appreciate that for real. And we about to get right into it. Alright, so this is the first little wheelies I'm gonna do for today. So I'm just gonna practice right this second on just bringing the bike back, getting used to it again, bringing it back a little bit, and then I might do a couple little distance, see what's going on for real. First gear, second gear, see what's going on. But I'm just practicing. I'm just getting my reps in. Let's go. Damn, it feels like I'm just warming up for real. I ain't get on the bike in like, I don't know. I'm saying I ain't wheeling in like 2 days for real. So I feel a little bit rusty, but I guess I'm warming up right now. I need to go back in and try to drop back just a tad bit more on this one. I'm still in first gear. Then after I practice this a little bit, I'm gonna just hit the second gear and see what's up. I probably wasn't even that far.
You getting there?
Huh?
You getting there?
Probably wasn't that far though.
Not too much, but you're getting there.
Hey, a little bit of on pump for real, just a little bit. I told you I gotta change that clutch a little bit. It's not bad, but after just, you know, constantly dumping popping it up, clutching it up, you know what I mean? Get a little fatiguing on, but not bad. I be going to the gym too, so that could be a part of it too. But I'm gonna just hit some second gear wheelies real quick, and then I'm gonna come back to first gear, practicing to drop it back a little bit. But that joint crazy though. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta put my reps in on this. You know what I mean? So I'm about to go second gear for a second and go back to drop back. Right now, I'm not feeling the best, man. I'm really beating myself up with this progression right now. I want to do better, but you know, it's seat time. But I'm gonna still keep taking my time. I felt like I wanted to do better today, but I'm about to go in for, let me see, some first gear, pull it back a little bit, a couple more second gear wheelies. It's gonna be mixed in for real, and then And yeah, I'm going back in though. Well, there you have it, man. Day 3, KLX 300 Wheelie progression. I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Subscribe to the channel for videos dropping all this year, all next year, the year after that, for real. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Beep, beep, beep.